Hello friends, in today's video, we'll prove a theorem that states that every open sphere is an open set. Now suppose there is a set A, it is called open set if it contains all its interior points. What is interior point? Interior points we have already discussed in our previous video, and open sphere also we have discussed in our previous video. So let's start its proof. Now suppose XD is a metric space, and since we have given an open sphere and we have to prove that open sphere is an open set, so let us consider SRX0 is an open sphere centered at X0 with radius R. Now we have to show that SRX0 is an open set. So to show that SRX0 is an open set, we have to show that every point of, now suppose this is our SRX0 centered at X0 with radius R. This is SRX0. Now we have to show that every point of SRX0 is interior point. That means if X is element of SRX0, that implies S rho X is a subset of SRX0 where rho is greater than 0 but it is smaller than R. This is what we have to show. Now in order to prove this, we'll begin like, suppose X is element of SRX0. That implies by definition of open sphere we can say that distance between X and X0 is less than R, right? Or we can write this as R minus distance between X and X0 is greater than 0. Now suppose this distance as rho, if we draw it, it would be like, now see here, it would be like distance between, this is R, so this also is R minus distance between X and X0 means we are not taking this part, only this much is rho, this distance is rho, so that is rho. Now consider an open sphere centered at X of radius rho. That implies S rho X. We are talking about this open sphere. And suppose Y is element of S rho X. Y is element of S rho X, that implies distance between Y and X is less than rho, right? But what is rho? From here we know that distance between Y and X is less than R minus distance between X and X0. Now suppose this is our first equation, this is our second equation, and we have substituted this value from equation number 1. By triangular property, what we know is distance between Y and X0 is less than or equal to distance between Yx plus distance between X0. हमें इसमें से क्या पता है? We know distance between X and Y. We will substitute this value from equation number 2. It is R minus distance between X and X0 plus distance between X0. And here we have distance between Y X0. So these two terms get cancelled. What we get, distance between Y and X0 is less than equal to R. That implies Y is element of SRX0. But what we have assumed, Y is element of S rho X. So that implies S rho X is a subset of SR x0. That implies x is an interior point. Thus, and since x is an arbitrary element, we have chosen x as arbitrary element. That implies for every x element of SRX0, x is an interior point. So our set, that is SRX0, becomes an open set. Thanks for watching.